Welcome to our review of the WeBull Investing App. WeBull is a mobile-first brokerage platform that's designed to make investing easy for beginners. The app features a sleek and intuitive design that allows users to jump right into the world of investing. With no minimum deposit required and no platform fees, WeBull is an attractive option for those just starting their investment journey. However, despite its user-friendly interface, WeBull has some limitations that you should consider before diving in. WeBull is a strong competitor to Robinhood, especially for beginners looking for a simple and engaging mobile experience. It offers commission-free trading on stocks, exchange-traded funds, options, and even cryptocurrencies. Users can also open individual retirement accounts such as traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and rollover IRAs. Additionally, WeBull provides a feature for paper trading, which allows you to practice trading with virtual money before risking your actual funds. However, WeBull has some notable drawbacks. It does not offer access to mutual funds, bonds, futures, or foreign exchange trading. The platform also falls short in customer support, lacking live chat options and providing only limited phone support during regular trading hours. Furthermore, WeBull's educational resources are minimal, meaning that new investors may need to look elsewhere for learning materials. WeBull charges no trading commissions, which is a big plus for cost-conscious investors. However, the platform does receive payment for order flow, which might affect the speed and quality of trade executions. When trading cryptocurrencies, users should be aware that a 1% commission is baked into the displayed prices. WeBull also offers margin trading with tiered interest rates that range from 0.699% to 3.99%, depending on the amount borrowed. While ACH transfers are free, wire transfers incur fees $8 per deposit and $25 per withdrawal for domestic users, with higher costs for international transactions. The WeBull app is well designed, with a minimalist interface that makes navigating the platform easy, even for beginners. WeBull's community feature is unique, offering a social media-like space where users can discuss stocks, share predictions, and engage with other investors. This aspect can be both fun and educational, although it requires active participation. WeBull is a solid choice for intermediate investors who enjoy a mobile-first experience and don't need extensive educational resources. While it's user-friendly and offers a community-driven environment, its limitations, such as a lack of access to various asset classes and subpar customer service, might be a deal-breaker for some. If you're looking for a simple, commission-free platform to start trading stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies, WeBull could be a good fit. However, if you need more comprehensive tools and support, you might want to explore other options. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!